It's such a beautiful day for a little road trip. Here we are again, ladies and gents. It's me putting on my gloves. So we just got some fuel and we are about to set off for Lochearnhead, a place I actually haven't been this year. Let us go! Good day, sir! Good day to you! So right now we are currently in... I think I just dropped a glove. Fantastic. Hello, glove. So a quick stop in Comrie just to change the battery on the old GoPro. We're not far from Lochearnhead now. Unfortunately, as you can see, there's some grey clouds above us. So I'm kind of hoping that any moisture in the air won't turn to rain, because obviously I can't fly the drone in the rain.
5 minutes later.
Remember what I said just after I left Comrie? I really hope those grey clouds don't turn into moisture and turn into rain. What do we get? Quite a heavy downpour. So obviously I can't launch the drone in this weather at all. Launch the drone, that sounds so technical. Captain, stand by. Preparations are being completed. All systems are checked. Stand by to launch the drone. Yeah, I can't take off with the drone in rain, basically, because you break it, and I don't want to break it. Welcome to another episode of Two Wheels on a Drone, and I would just like to say to you, my thighs are absolutely soaking. So welcome to beautiful Lochearnhead, and we have Lochearn right beside us, and seeing as how the conditions have changed, the weather gods have been kind to us, although they have soaked us, it is time to put the drone up and get some beautiful shots of Lochearn. You really do get a cracking perspective of Lochearn from up high in the sky, thanks to the drone. But unfortunately, there is some more showers in the air and it's actually spitting of rain at the moment. I'm also getting eaten alive by midges. Thank you, Scotland. Summer weather for the win. But before I leave Lochearnhead, start that one again. Before I leave Lochearnhead, there is another place I would like to launch the drone from to get another perspective to show you as well. So hopefully this shower doesn't last long. And when I said I hope it doesn't rain at Comrie, it came on chucking it down. So let's hope the luck is in our favour. It's just reminding you of Hunger Games. May the odds be ever in your favour, the weather gods. I have no idea what's wrong with me today. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head a little bit further along the side of the loch, and hopefully this weather will clear soon so we can get some more shots with the drone. Oh yes! Some more beautiful drone shots from the other side of Lochearn to enjoy there. Now there is one more spot I do want to launch the drone from, and I do have one fully charged battery left, so let's go and head to that little spot and launch the drone one more time and make the most of this day. Albeit it's been a little bit wet, we've had to play ball with the weather, we've had to be patient, but I think it's paid off in the end. I do apologise for showing you my face so much in this video, but I really hope you've enjoyed it, and until next time, as always, you beautiful people, please do take care and stay safe. This is a very hyper and still moist thighs, liquid, moist thighs, soggy thighs, wet thighs, well they're not really wet, why am I talking about this? This is Liquid, signing off. Sorry. welcome to another episode of Liquid Puts His Gloves On. So it just spitted a little bit of rain after I after I got the drone down. But you know what, it's been an absolutely awesome day. I haven't been to Lochearnhead at all this year, and it's always a really nice ride coming here as well. But it's time to head back home on the beautiful Gixxis. I really hope you have enjoyed this one. I do apologise for showing you so much of my mug in this video, but you know what, it's been a lot of fun filming this one. I've really enjoyed it, and it's been brilliant to be back at Lochearnhead. But as with all good trips, they must come to an end, and it is time to head back to Dundee. So let's head home. Oh yes! It's time to go home again. Oh, it's time to go home again. Now let's not drop the bike on the gravel and muddy car park.